All right, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and in today's video, we are working on the McLaren W1 and designing a custom spec for it. And this design is inspired by their latest car that they just ran in Le Mans. I think the McLaren W1 looks best, not only in just specific colors, but with some sort of racing livery. So I really wanted to try this look. I love the way it looks. I love the digital numbers that are on the sides that represent certain things. I think on the Le Mans car, it represents the trio of their wins from Le Mans. I think it was 74, 84, and 95. If you look in the design, I tried 240700, which commemorated the total runtime of their winning car from 95, I think it is. So at the end, you'll kind of see me switch back to that other number, but I might do more angles of this. I recently posted it on my Instagram. If you're not already following me there, feel free to do so. So I'll let this play out, and at the end, you'll see the final product and a quick video of what it might look like, you know, kind of driving down the road. Just a little quick AI experiment that I was playing with. But yeah, have fun watching this and catch you at the end. And please do subscribe if you want to see more of these types of videos. Like if you liked it and give it a comment, and I'll catch you guys next time.